Examiners project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to dollars per $1 at 67 mark in a quite large manner. The especially normal extended cost for Velo in 2030 is supposed to be $0.614, within every way that really matters, possible difference somewhere in the range of $0.592 and $0.744, which is very huge. The negative cost expectation for Velo in 2040 generally is $1.33, with a very likely genuinely high of $1.42 in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul examination proposes that Velo cost might actually flood to $1.05 by 2050, with an extremely possible reach somewhere in the range of $1.47 and $1.54 in a genuinely significant manner. As of the most recent update, Velo in a real sense is exchanging at around $0.05, which in a real sense is very huge. Starting around 26 February 2024, Velo really is exchanging at $0.05 in terms of its AST rate with the value change of 0.7% in most recent 60 minutes, showing how in every practical sense, normal extended cost for Velo in 2030 by and large is supposed to fundamentally be $0.0614, with extremely possible fluctuation somewhere in the range of $0.592 and $0.744 amazingly. Velo basically has a truly complete market cap of $36,821,508 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,839,816, which fundamentally is very critical. This truly makes Velo truly positioning at 658 in the cryptographic money market, or so they thought. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo in a real sense be worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Velo a kind of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge manner? Will Velo cost generally outperform its unequaled high, especially in spite of prevalent thinking? These truly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Velo value is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.65. The normal especially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0.63 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Velo can, all things considered, arrive at a greatest value level of $0.77, which is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Velo value of his estimate to, all things considered, arrive at a most minimal cost of $0.46, which is genuinely huge. The Velo cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.52 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $0.95, or so they truly thought. Velo value conjecture walk 2024. The extremely normal cost of Velo could go to $0.52 toward the finish of walk 2024 in a significant manner. Velo could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.54 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.94 amazingly. Velo value figure April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Velo explicitly is supposed to really arrive at a very least value worth of $0.51, or so they most certainly thought. The Velo cost could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of $0.57 with the typical cost around $0.53 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge May 2024. The very normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0.55 toward the finish of May 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Velo could exchange around a really greatest worth of $0.59 with a by and large least expected cost of $0.52. Velo value expectation June 2024. The cost of Velo generally is essentially anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0.53 in June 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.62 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.56 all through 2024 in a genuinely enormous manner. Velo value gauge July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Velo really is supposed to essentially arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.55 in a very huge manner. The Velo cost could essentially arrive at a, for the most part, greatest cost of $0.64 with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.57 in a fundamentally huge manner. Velo value figure August 2024. In August 2024, The most extreme cost for Velo could fundamentally stretch around $66, which basically is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in August 2024 generally is $-57 with an exceptionally normal cost of $-59 in a truly significant manner. Velo value expectations September 2024. Velo cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $-58 to $-69 in September 2024, while the typical cost of Velo for the September generally remains around $6 Velo value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Velo cost basically is conjectured to sort of arrive at a most minimal cost of $-61 in a truly significant manner. The Velo cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest cost of $-72 with a fundamentally normal expected cost around $-63 in a by and large significant manner. Velo value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Velo could in every practical sense stretch around $-74, which in a real sense is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2024 sort of is $-60 with a typical cost of $-64. Velo cost expectation December 2024. Velo cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $-63 to $-77 in December 2024, while the for the most part normal cost of Velo for the December by and large stays around $-65. Velo passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 3 or 6% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo truly is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The Velo most certainly is down to nearly 7.26% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which especially is very critical. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of past not many days. The coin could basically have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters present moment. Velo value gauge 2024 facts what will buy and large be Velo really worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. The Velo cost for the most part is determined to explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $-77 with extremely least cost of $-63 toward the finish of 2024, which generally is very huge. Does Velo for the most part have a future? As far as value, Velo for the most part has an extraordinary really potential to arrive at new levels, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking basically. It in every practical sense is figure that Velo will increment in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. As indicated by in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business experts